Alright, today we got the Duke 790. Come on, let's go.
Yes. Right. Puro tayo second gear ah. Right. Hey.
You really gotta love this bike. No words, no words.
Hello, good morning mga boss. This is BossTL again and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to KTM BGC. Again, for another time, we are taking out another bike. This time we would be getting a bigger bike, 800cc to be exact. So today we got a message from KTM BGC that they would be lending us their Duke 790 for us to use for 5 days over the weekend. So pupunta tayo sa KTM BGC to take out the bike. Right now I am bringing my KTM Duke 390 kasi mahirap nang mag-commute papuntang KTM BGC, so I'd rather bring my own bike. So we would be leaving our KTM dun sa KTM BGC. So pinaalam naman natin yon, so they're okay with that. So it's already 12 in the afternoon. And we are now rushing to KTM BGC. We just had to finish our shift and we are going straight there kasi may cut off sila ng pag-lend out ng bike up to 3 PM only. So medyo magmamadali tayo. And right now this is the first time I would be heading to NCR after the province of Rizal was placed under MECQ. We just don't know kung ano yung mga checkpoint na madadaanan natin. Anyway, we are completing papers naman. Meron naman tayong certificate of passage. We have our own ID. This is official business naman with KTM BGC. So we're good. So have I driven a KTM 790 before? Of course not, di ba? As a matter of fact, I haven't actually driven any bike larger than 400cc. The only time we have driven a bike that is larger than our bike is the time when we rode the Z1000 ni J Nuts motovlog. We cannot really consider that having driven the bike kasi very short trip lang yun eh. Isang kalsada lang, back and forth, and that's all. This time we will try to ride the bike as many kilometers as we can to get a feel of the bike so that we can have a better review. Alright, so for now I'll just concentrate on the road. Talk to you in a bit. Alright. Naulan na. Sagwa ng ganito, ang init-init tas biglang ulan. So here it is 1 o'clock. So kahit the traffic, it only took us around 1 hour to travel from Antipolo papunta dito sa BGC. And KTM is over there. That's it guys, we're here. Tuwan na natin ulit si 390. So pasok muna tayo sa loob. Kunin natin yung 790. Alright. Wow. So it's not really that heavy. Actually, mabigat lang ng onte kay Duke 390. So hindi siya nakakapanibago, pero as they always say, maninibago ka sa throttle. Yeah, indeed, mas malakas ang torque na ito. Understandably, it's twice the displacement, so twice the power, I guess, or at least close to twice the power. So yun, nakasabay natin kanina si Juanico Fernandez, yung nagpahiram sa atin ng kanyang Sport Wheel 200. Sabay kami ng hiram. What I really like about the 790 is the engine sound, or the engine note. With the stock muffler, very bassy pa rin siya. You could feel a lot of grunt. With this, actually ganito na yung engine note, or exhaust note na gusto ko eh. Quiet with a hint of bass. Pag nakakuha ka ng ganito, I wouldn't really change the stock muffler. Okay na eh. Okay na ako dun eh. Let's go. Nice.